All right, check this out. This one is a sold order, but this is our first Santa Cruz. Been kind of excited about this truck. We do have one coming that is available. This particular one is sold, but we'll have one here in a little bit that's going to be available. Check it out. All right, so this is the 22 Santa Cruz. Going to be very similar to the Santa Fe and the Tucson as far as styling is going to go. You're going to notice that up ahead here, these are going to be your LEDs and your turn signals, and your headlights are going to be down there. Grille is very similar to the Tucson grille. Also, something I noticed that's kind of neat is if you look at the inside of these fender flares, they actually tilt inward instead of being outward. As you can see when you look at them from the side. Love the look. Pretty excited to have a small truck, especially in this market. We just don't have enough trucks. This will be a good option for us. Can be roughly the same size as a Tucson's interior. Very competitively priced with the Tucson as well. Let's check out the box. We do have a power release feature. And then very similar to the Ridgeline, you have a hidden storage pocket or under seat storage, however you want to look at it. It does have a shock on it, both sides. And then there's also an emergency release there as well. You'll also notice on the sides here, you've got a pocket storage there. Some pocket storage on that side as well. There are 2 tie downs there. There are 2 tie downs up in the front. And then there are 2 tie downs on the side, which is a good amount of tie downs to have in this box. You also notice the tops of the rails have caps on them. And it looks like there's stake pockets where you could knock out the holes there. I'm sure there'll be all sorts of cool accessories you can buy for this thing here in the near future. Good looking functional box. Keyless access. You'll notice that these are a satin or a flat black finish on the handles. Power driver's seat on this one. This is the SEL model. So it does have heated seats. It's got a center locking differential like all Hyundais do, at least all all-wheel drive models. A couple of USB ports up front for charging. Shifter on the center console. All right, this does have a push button start. I apologize, there's a lot of plastic on this vehicle still. Your interior plastic, you'll notice, just to protect the interior. All these vehicles ship with a ton of that stuff all over it, including the dash up here. What you'll notice is a little bit different is I've got a roller switch for volume. And then a roller for a tuner as well, which is different than anything else we sell in the Hyundai lineup. Still have all of your hands-free calling. There is the steer assist as well, cruise control, all of your hands-free system right here. You're gonna have automatic headlights like you do in all Hyundais, and the ability to shut that off as well. If you haven't seen the taillights, love the taillights. Turn signal combo. And again, you'll see the stack up here is all LEDs. Those are your daytime running lamps. Your turn signals down here. Your headlights right in the middle. GDI 2.5 liter 4-cylinder with 8-speed transmission is standard. Got your pink coolant. Good space underneath the hood. Also, like a lot of Hyundais, you can actually pull out your air filter. Pretty easy to get at, easy to install it again as well. into the back seat. Again, I apologize for all the plastic on the inside. Can lift the seats up. Jack equipment on this side, a little bit of storage on that side. Does have the regular floor mats in it as well. Get some good space in that back seat. I'm sure you could fit a bike in there as well. Cruz, if you'd like to know more, give me a call. You can reach me at 800.